Com alguns semanas de antecipação, há um lugar evento de TEDx Binnenhof, aí na Den Haag, Holanda. Desses dias, o sorte de dia, hora de Holanda, a começar com a apresentação que a durante com 5 horas de vetari. A última apresentação, a estava de nosso ministro-presidente, que vai contar invitado e turistas que a seguir online de história de êxito de nosso país.
Aunque com Holanda é um país mais chiquito do continente europeu, toca não quer mandar señal para o inteiro mundo que não pode fazer uma diferença hora de tratar inovação. Essa é a inteira meta do evento TEDx Binnenhof. Lema é aqui da Global Challenges, Touch Solutions. Entre oradores, Primeiro-Ministro Mike Eyman, de Aruba.
And examine them and ask critical questions. Does it really serve the next generation? Can it be changed? Can we improve on the model so that it will be better for the next generation? And that's exactly what my generation, what I did, examine the growth model of Aruba. And I came to the same conclusion as a very important political leader in the 60s came in the United States, Robert F. Kennedy. It was not popular, I believe, in the 60s when capitalism was really kind of the answer to everything, in the United States for sure, to have a statement that says that GDP doesn't say the whole story of our society. It doesn't talk about the quality of the education of our children. It doesn't say nothing about the health of our families and their marriages, about the richness of our poem, of our wit or of our intellect. Doesn't say anything about the level of our public debates or the integrity of our public officials.
Questa aqui é o primeiro mandatário de Aruba enfatizar que sim, Aruba quer formar parte de inovação, de tecnologia, de crescimento e desenvolvimento econômico, mas que saindo do turcos. Mas coisas que nós islas querem ter hotel de 5 estrelas, nós queremos escola de 5 estrelas também, cuido médico de 5 estrelas, e assim não posso mencionar. Então, para dizer, lo quer seguir desenvolvendo em todo aspecto do projeto não sustentável.
In the next couple of days, when I go home tomorrow, in the afternoon, we will be signing a contract, a MOU with Philips. Philips will turn all the light points of Aruba into LED, and that conversion will not only be a great saving for energy in Aruba, but also will be the first country that has done this in an integral way that will also be showcased in Aruba, and we are very proud of that. KLM will be flying on the 16th of May with the first biodiesel flight to the Caribbean from Schiphol to Oranjestad, and we are very proud that together with a lot of Dutch institutions, we are making the point to the world that indeed, in the Netherlands, we have solutions for global challenges.
Mike Eyman elaborar com imensa landa com falecimento e tata, ora estava mucha, com uma landa pobre e com controle social do nosso mama man den compa landa yunan. E mesmo ideia aqui awe, e quer trazer back, com barrio na uni, sociedade não que trabalha junto, para a seguinte geração.
Because the choices that have to be made for a sustainable society, not only ecologically in the area of sustainable energy, but also socio-economically, is very important. And political leaders have to have the heart, have to have the soul to look at these great talents that presented ideas today that can save the earth, save the planet, save kids, save the future of humanity, and embrace them. And I would like you all to spread that word so we embrace these great ideas and these great innovators. Thank you very much.
Amita Patrick Pascal, para ATV, Canal 5.